Steve, thank you so much for sitting down with me and answering a lot of questions that I normally get and some questions that I also had in the back of my mind. Is there anything else that you would like to add to anyone else who's going to watch this channel, who's going to be watching these videos, whether they've had a hair transplant or want to do another one or need corrective surgery? Is there anything else that you would like to add to that audience?
Well, I think we've covered it all, Lance. You've done a great job, and it's a pleasure having you here. And I'm happy to have kind of supported you through from day one to day, whatever it's going to end up being. Now that we're going to love to see this thing growing in and what it's going to look like when you start to cut your hair real low. Adding to what we've already done, I'm always available to help patients, as you know. One of my favorite kind of taglines is this has never been and never will be a sales presentation. I've been criticized for that. I've had bosses that don't like that. Not anymore. So it's all about making sure that you do the right thing for the patient. I think that my advice to people that are losing their hair is you've got to make a decision at some time soon in regards to preventative treatments. And when it comes to getting back your hair, that's where we're starting to build somewhat of an army here. We're starting to separate the dedicated only hair doctors that are really treating people right and they're really doing good work and that stand behind their work, where you're again not going to get hurt and you're going to get a great result. So and Lance is a great example of that. So I want to just thank you, Lance, for bringing me into your blog and let me say hello to your viewers and thanking you for being a part of this whole thing that you've done a great job with.
And thank you, Steve, for pointing me in the right direction. And if for anyone who is interested in talking to Steve, I will have his contact information in the video description and on my blog. So thank you so much for watching this interview, and as always, I'll be here to answer any questions you may have. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Lance.